Whether you're focused on developing a tablet formulation or a granulation for extrusion and spheronization, you can rapidly discover the optimum starting point for your formulations with the Mixer Torque Rheometer. In as little as 40 minutes, you can determine the starting point for both the optimum amount of liquid binder and the ideal mix time for your formulation to create the highest chance of a development success. To present this data, the MTR uses two experiments, the multiple addition test and the variable mix time test. Firstly, the multiple addition test will determine how much liquid binder your specific formulation needs for your desired result. In this experiment, a small sample of 15 to 40 grams of material is added to the mixer bowl, and the automatic syringe pump is primed with liquid binder. The multiple addition test is a multi-stage experiment, where liquid binder is incrementally added to the material inside of the mixing chamber. As more binder is added to your material, the amount of torque generated inside the bowl increases until it reaches a peak level of torque, before declining as the material in the bowl becomes oversaturated, turning into a slurry. Torque is generated inside the mixing bowl. The torque readings are measured by the MTR's internal load cell. The data is then saved on a USB memory device. From just this one test, most of the guesswork of how much liquid binder is needed to create a tablet, extradate, or spheroid is eliminated, as you receive an ideal starting point for your process. Once you have the optimum binder ratio, you are now ready to find the optimum mixing time for your formulation by using the MTR's variable mix time test. With a fresh sample of material inside the mixer bowl and the syringe refilled, the second test can begin. The variable mix time test adds the optimum amount of liquid binder to your formulation in one step, instead of incrementally adding binder like the multiple addition test. This test creates an instant torque response inside of the bowl. Once your programmed mix time is complete, the MTR will produce a results file that defines how sensitive your formulation is to under and over mixing, revealing the optimum mixing time for your formulation. You'll also receive additional information such as mixing RPM, process temperature readings from inside the bowl, and ambient temperature readings. These two tests produce repeatable results quickly, allowing you to determine the optimum starting point for both your formulation's binder ratio and mixing time in as little as 40 minutes. If you would like a demonstration of exactly how the MTR could benefit your work, please visit caleva.com/demo.